Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to transfer your Spaceship domain to Hostinger. So first thing that we should do here is we have to log in to our Spaceship account, right? And then right here, we just have to go to the launch pod. So we have to make sure that our domain is at least 60 days old and not locked. So if it's locked, we have to unlock our domain. So just go to the domain manager, okay, and then select the domain that you want to transfer. So we have this one. And then here at the right side, we have the transfer option. So just simply click on it and then click on the transfer domain. So now we have to unlock our domain in order for us to transfer this to Hostinger. So first is we have to unlock and then the authorization and the approval. So after that, click on the unlocked domain. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then we have here now the authorization code. So we have to copy this one because we are going to use this later on. So now that we have the authorization code, we have to proceed and log into our Hostinger account. After that, click on the domains, okay, right here, and click on the transfer. So here you just have to search for the domain that you want to transfer. So I already searched for my domain, which is this one. All right. And then after that, you just have to click on the purchase option. Okay. So here you would be able to see the total amount. So we have to choose our payment method. And then you just have to pay for the domain transfer fee. So usually it includes 1 year renewal. All right. And after that, you just have to approve the transfer. You'll receive two emails, one from Spaceship asking you to confirm or cancel the transfer, and one from Hostinger confirming the process. So you just have to approve the transfer from Spaceship's email and then wait around 5 to 7 days for the transfer to complete. So it may be faster if approved early. And then after that, you just have to update your DNS settings. And once the is active in Hostinger, go to the Hostinger DNS zone editor and then update the name servers or DNS records to point to your hosting plan. So since this domain is not 60 days old yet, so we did not able to pass the requirement. But of course, you have to make sure that the domain that you're going to transfer in Hostinger is already 60 days old or above. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.